Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TPLM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like several days worth of time right there, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward to answer. And that question revolves around the fact that today was a good solid move. I mean, from where it was yesterday to where it is right now, I think everybody would agree, good solid day. But that does bring up the question, but is there any sort of true strength behind this move? Is there any sort of genuine power, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single level. And yes, that's why I love charts, makes things very straightforward. And that's here at 27.5 cents. Why is 27.5 cents so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true strength, with genuine power, the price is going to progress forward. It's not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, a price movement with true power is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 27.5 cents. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back to within this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price heads down here, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows. Sorry about that, had a little technical difficulty there. So you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have a set of lows down there. And if you picture each one of these as stair steps, then the stair steps are still progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's what truly strong moves do, right? They make progress in the upwards direction. Now, what about levels of resistance? There's two key ones that stand out to me. The first one is what I like to call the fun one. And the fun one is just, the previous highs. I mean, I'll be the first to admit, yeah, it is fun to talk about, prices, retesting previous highs, or better yet, even breaking to new highs. So 33 cents is indeed a level of resistance. But in many situations, usually there's other bridges that first need to be crossed. There's other resistance levels that first need to be broken through. And in this situation, that's where we go to 31 cents here. As you can see, multiple times, during the late morning and afternoon, the bulls try to get back up through there, but the bears kept smacking it down. So yes, 33 cents is indeed a level of resistance. But before you start talking about the quote unquote fun level up there, bulls first got to cross that bridge at 31 cents. All in all, though, very nice day. So it'll be interesting to see if the bulls can build upon this momentum going forward. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.